Welcome to the channel, guys. Hope you are doing good. So, today we will be discussing about the product of OK Life Care, that is Beauty Fuel. Before moving forward, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Now, what is Beauty Fuel? Beauty Fuel is a skin wellness product. Beauty Fuel helps in healthy skin, anti-aging, and purifies the blood. Skin is the largest organ of our body that acts as the ultimate multitasker. Healthy skin is a protective layer of the human body, but when it's unhealthy, its ability to work as an effective barrier is often impaired. Our skin needs the right balance of nutrients for the optimum amount of protection. It's our responsibility to keep it healthy internally by using our unique formulation of health supplement, Beauty Fuel. Beauty Fuel brings together potent natural herbal extracts along with dietary supplements in one synergistic functional formulation, herbal to offer a wide spectrum of therapeutic advantages, as herbs are known for their medicinal healing properties and dietary supplements to meet our body deficiencies, so we came with a unique formulation of these two different categories of ingredients that provide added benefits as compared to individual ones. It is specially designed to promote beauty from the inside out. If you are enjoying the video, please hit the like button. Now we will be discussing the key benefits of Beauty Fuel, which are: it is a beautiful blend of various herbal extracts like neem, turmeric, rose petals, omega-3 fatty acids, and nutraceuticals like glutathione, collagen fiber, CoQ10 that support the integrity of skin cells. It is helpful in the management of premature skin aging, sensitiveness, acne, sun-induced skin redness, and skin spots. Scientific studies revealed that botanical extracts used in this formulation help in the management of autoimmune skin disorders such as psoriasis, eczema, and skin allergy. Glutathione is a strong antioxidant that plays a vital role against oxidative stress-induced cellular damage and in detoxifying foreign chemicals. The combination of botanical extracts in the formulation with alpha-lipoic acid is a safe and effective means for reducing the damaging effects of ultraviolet radiations. It contains neem and turmeric extract that helps to purify the blood by removing toxins through urine. It also helps to improve blood circulation. Combination of astaxanthin and ALA helps to reduce the existence of wrinkles, aging spots, freckles, and visible signs of early aging. Recent research shows that collagen peptides and glutathione improve skin elasticity, skin lightening, and boost skin hydration, resulting in reduced dryness. It is scientifically packed with sea buckthorn and omega-3 fatty acids that are known for the management of skin disorders including sunburn, redness, eczema, and psoriasis. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Do like and share to the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.